Hi, this is Rob Gordon from the Noonan LSA Academic Advising Center. As you get ready to register for classes, we've created a series of Wolverine Access tutorials to help explain how to backpack and register for classes. In this tutorial, we're going to show you some of the basics of the LSA online course guide. As you get ready for summer orientation and start to backpack classes and prepare to meet with your LSA academic advisor, it's important that you have a basic understanding of how to use the online course guide. So let's get started. Probably the most common way to search for classes is to just type the course name in here. And so if you were looking for Econ 101, just start typing the name in, it'll pop up here, click on search, and you'll find the class. Another way to look for classes is by the department. And so let's say you wanted to find all the courses available in American culture, click here, click on search, scroll down, and it'll show you all the courses offered from that department. Make sure that you're searching for classes for fall 2021 because that's when you're registering for classes. Another feature that's really useful of the online course guide is to look at the skills requirements. So let's say you were looking for the first year writing offerings in the fall. If you click here, do a search, it'll show you all of the courses that count for the first year writing requirement. And again, you can see that notation listed right here. So anything that says FYWR counts as a first year writing course. Going back to the course guide, you can also look at special offerings. So let's say you wanted to either find a mini course or one of the first year seminars. If you click there and do a search, it'll show you all the first year seminars that are offered in the fall semester. One thing to be aware of when you're looking for classes is that they have both discussions and lectures. And so let's go back to the Econ 101 example. And if you do a search for that class and scroll down, you can see that there are 5 different lectures to pick from. If you click on the first lecture, again, that has the white bubble right here, so that's the one you selected. You can see here that this course has both a lecture and a discussion. Both of these have to be open for you to be able to register for the course. This class meets Monday and Wednesday from 10 to 11:30. The lecture is remote, but the discussion sections are all going to be in person, and they meet at various times here. Again, this class has both a lecture and a discussion, and both sections, both the lecture and the discussion, have to be open in order for you to be able to register for the class. Hopefully this overview of how to use the basic features of the online course guide will help you find classes you're interested in. If this seems like a lot of information, don't worry, our LSA academic peer advisors will cover this stuff in much more detail during your orientation session this summer.